Paying for your shipping in Pandabuy is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay for your shipping in Pandabuy. So for that, you have to be at your, Pandabuy's website, and you need to search for the product that you want to buy. After that, you just have to add all of those products into your cart, and they will take you to the checkout page afterwards. So in the checkout page, you need to select your, payment methods that you want to do. You can also add the credit card, debit card, MasterCard. It totally depends upon you, however you guys want. You can also pay with PayPal as well. So in the checkout page, you will probably see an option for the shipping fee as well, or the your product scores. You need to make sure you are also paying the shipping fee. By default, it just pays the shipping fee just because you are shipping the product. It will by default cut the charges for the shipping as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can pay for shipping in Pandabuy. Hope you guys find this video helpful.